Hello everyone. Today we are going on a magical carpet ride across India to see some of the most colorful festivals, religious and national. These festivals teach us about love, sharing and unity. Hold on tight, here we go. Our first stop is Diwali, the festival of lights. Diwali is celebrated to welcome Lord Ram back to Ayodhya after defeating the demon king Ravan. People light diyas to chase away darkness and bring happiness. They decorate their homes with rangoli, exchange sweets, wear new clothes, and enjoy fireworks that light up the night sky. Next, we land in Holi, the festival of colors. Holi marks the victory of good over evil. When Prahlad was saved from the demon Holika, people celebrate by throwing bright colors, splashing water, dancing, and eating yummy gujia. It's a day of joy and togetherness, where everyone forgets differences and becomes friends. Here we are at Navratri, a 9-day festival to worship goddess Durga, who destroyed the demon Mahishasur. Each day, people pray to a different form of the goddess. In the evenings, they wear colorful clothes and dance garba and dandiya to celebrate the victory of good over evil. It's full of music, lights, and happiness. This is Dussehra, the day Lord Ram defeated Ravan. People watch Ram Leela plays that tell the story of Ram's victory, and at night, giant effigies of Ravan, Meghnad, and Kumkaran are burnt with fireworks. This reminds us that no matter how strong evil seems, good always wins. Look, it's Ganesh Chaturthi. This is the birthday of Lord Ganesh, the god of wisdom and good beginnings. Families bring home beautifully decorated idols of Ganesh, offer sweets like modak, and pray for happiness. After a few days, the idols are taken in a big procession with music and dance, and immersed in water. Next stop, Pongal and Makar Sankranti. These festivals thank the sun god for a good harvest. People make sweet pongal from fresh rice and milk, decorate their houses, and fly colorful kites high in the sky. Farmers also decorate their cows with bells and flowers as a way of saying thank you. Now we visit Eid. Eid is celebrated after the holy month of Ramzan, when people fast from sunrise to sunset. On Eid day, families wear new clothes, offer prayers, and share delicious dishes like biryani and sevaiyan with neighbors and the poor. It is a festival that teaches kindness, charity, and sharing. Here comes Christmas. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. People decorate Christmas trees, hang stars, and go to church for special prayers. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring them gifts and sing carols together. It is a festival of giving and spreading joy. Now we visit Gurpurab. Gurpurab is celebrated to remember the birthdays of the 10 Sikh Gurus, especially Guru Nanak Dev Ji. People decorate Gurudwaras with lights, sing hymns, and take out beautiful processions called Nagar Kirtan. Langar or free community meals are served to everyone. This festival teaches us equality and service to humanity. Till now we saw the religious festivals. Now we will see the national festivals of India. First is Independence Day. This is the day India became free from British rule. Every school and office hoists the national flag. Everyone sings the national anthem and remembers the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our country. It teaches us to love and respect our nation. Our magic carpet now takes us to Republic Day. On this day, India's constitution came into force. The biggest celebration is in New Delhi, where there is a grand parade with soldiers, bands, dancers, and colorful tableaus of different states. People salute the national flag and feel proud to be Indians. Our last national festival is Gandhi Jayanti, celebrated on 2nd October, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. People pay tribute to him for teaching peace and non-violence. Some children even dress up as Gandhiji with round glasses and a stick. It reminds us that we can solve problems without fighting. Wow, what a colorful journey we had today. We saw festivals of lights, colors, dance, sharing, and national pride. Festivals bring us together, teach us to do good, and make life more joyful. That's all for now. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.